Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Greenshot is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Search for Greenshot in the search bar, go to Greenshot and install it. Why am I saying this? Because if you have installed it from a third party location, then the files may be corrupt and there may be other issues, and it may not even be the official version. So you can download the Greenshot version from the Microsoft Store itself. The next solution will be to search for Greenshot in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Okay, try opening it as an administrator. Now here's one more thing that you can do. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps. If you see any other app associated with screenshots, let's say this was another screenshot app, simply uninstall it. Why? Because the shortcut keys for Greenshot and other apps are the same. It's Control plus print screen, so they will interfere with each other. So to counter that, this is what you can do. Post this, you can search for Greenshot in the Windows search bar and click on App Settings. Now wait till it loads. Scroll down, select Terminate, select Repair, wait till you get a tick mark here. Then select Reset and reset once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.